make it rain. I'm going to use bacon. Yo guys, this is bacon to make it rain, boy. Collect that money. I'll make it rain. I need to change my kit when I get up to level 5. I'm not quite there yet, boys. 12,000 bacon. What can I buy with that? Buy another mattress. Mattress. No. I'm not getting nothing. I'm not getting nothing. Hey. Right. Sorry about that. That was stupid. Collect that. Boom. Now got words. Got words now, boys. Get me to 15,000. No ads. What are you even doing? Yes, 15,000. $15,500, and then I'm leaving it at that. Boom. Peace.